Perfect example of a narcissistic, lying, cocksucking, murderous bastard right here. I just downloaded this showing the high waves on the West Coast. Why are waves on the U.S. coast larger than waves on the East Coast? Okay, that's fair. So we go over and look and see this and see this. But he left out the fact that normally they're 2 to 4 meters, 2 to 4 meters, 2 to 4 meters, and they're 18. They're fucking 18 meters today. That's not normal. You cocksucking murderers, fuck. There is not a goddamn thing normal about this. They're almost 20 fucking meter waves, Lee. Not normal. Not normal. We're slowing down. You can see the wave coming into the fucking west coasts of the world. We're tapping brakes. That's all there is to it. I don't give a fuck what this man says. The data claims very clearly this is Abby normal as fuck. This doesn't happen normally. However, it's going on today, and so is the Hudson fucking Bay. It's a small body of water, but there's a big difference between east and west coasts of the fucking thing, isn't there? Huge difference because the water's all going that way because we spin like, now that our axis shifted, we spin like this and we're getting tapped on the brakes. Look, the water's shooting through the straits here. Tapping on the brakes, tapping on the brakes. And Lee is a cocksucking murderous bastard that wants you to die. He feeds you antifreeze. Anything I say, he is paid to instantaneously put the 180 degrees of truth out. He's a lying, cocksucking, paid murderous fuck that is paid by fucking Derek fucking Bros. They even named a new tide king tides, unusually high water levels. This is for questions people are asking this year. And high tide bulletins, king tides, high tides, high tides. That means not fucking normal. And 30 seconds later, he's putting up this shit about me. I said, you're going to question me? I give you something to look at. I would much rather you be looking at it than questioning my fucking words. Because I know I sound like I'm insane. Like I said before, you should look at what I'm pointing at rather than sit and fucking question me. By all rights, you should question my words with your fucking eyes, not your lips. You should go look at the moon and see that it's confounded. You should also pay attention to this guy. Instead of fucking come telling me not to give my energy to a murderous bastard and just continue to allow him to murder people? Do you see what he's doing? As soon as I put out a word, he comes and 180s it. Telling people I'm an evil cult leader because you can't question me. You can question me with your eyes. I give you something to look at. You fucking go look at it. Don't question me personally. Don't come to my fucking channel and say, if this was happening, go observe it. Lee here requires you to listen to him because if you go look, there's an actual blue SAR fucking classification that he declassified. But he depends on you to fucking sit here and look at his woo and listen to his fucking Christ that he keeps fucking evoking to fucking believe anything he says, because all he's got is woo and Christ. He has no factual anything to back up a fucking word of his. He's a lying cocksucker who wants you to die. And he's paid by billionaires like, oh, I don't know, Derek fucking Bros, Chill Bros, all these motherfucking broites over here on his page, clapping for him every day, got him fucking all pumped up, and egotistical fucking lying cocksucking motherfucker over here trying to get you to die. Yay, thanks, Lee. Every time you open your mouth, you prove yourself to be a fucking deadly piece of shit. Amen.